Hey guys, it's Mr. Bernay, Mr. Rakonik, and Mr. Bell here. For the next however many weeks, we're going to be doing these virtual lessons. And this is how it's going to go. We're going to have a lesson for you each day. Some days will be a lesson with the three of us, a video lesson. Some days will be practice on your own. Today, obviously, is a video lesson, and we're going to be focusing on applying the triangle side length rules today. So we're going to go through two examples, and then talk about your next steps at the end. I'm gonna kick it over to Mr. Rakonik now.
Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Rakonik. Been a while. Hey, we're gonna run through example number one here with you. Pretty basic, but we're gonna point out the main techniques to use and skills to use solving a problem. If you're given three sides of a triangle, the sum of any two sides has to be greater than the third side given. So in our three measurements, we have 13.5 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 3.5 centimeters, and those are your three side lengths. Now, if you take 13.5 plus 8, you end up with 21.5 or 21 and 5 tenths. That's also greater than 3.5, which is the measurement of your third side. If you take 13.5 plus 3.5, you get 17. That's going to be greater than 8, which is the remaining third side measurement. If you take 8 plus 3.5, it's equaling 11.5, which is less than 13.5, and that's a problem. When you add two of the sides together, the sum is supposed to be bigger than the third side given. So that's why that one will not work.
All right. What's up, gang? We have example 2 here. This is an example of one that would work. We're going to use a 3, 4, 5 triangle. In the first line, you see 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is greater than your third side 5. In the second line, they take the 3 and the 5, they add those together, they get an 8, and that's greater than your remaining side 4. And finally, in the last line, take the 5 and the 4, add those up, and you get a 9. And 9 is greater than that remaining third side 3. So this can form a triangle. The side lengths would work, unlike the first example. You can go over these examples, look at them a couple of times, go through this video again if you'd like, and there are some problems for you guys to work on the next slide.
Cool, so yeah, to sum it up, the strategy really is you're using this rule, and you're adding two of the side lengths, and you're trying to see if the sum that you get is greater than the length of the third side. And if that's the case, then it can form a triangle. And you want that rule to apply to all three of those addition problems. You guys got anything else?
Not yet.
So. All right, so we're going to leave you with 4 practice problems to do on your own. You can do it on a piece of paper at your house. The problems are very similar to the examples that Mr. Rakonik and Mr. Bell just went through. So you can go back and check those for yourself for practice. I think we all want you to take care of yourself, be well. I know it's a crazy time. We miss seeing you guys. Hopefully you miss seeing us just a little bit. Yeah, so we'll be back tomorrow with another video, and we'll give you the answers to these 4 practice problems.
You should practice them as best you can. When you get your Khan Academy assignment, these are what they're going to look like. So if you can do these practice problems, you should do fine in Khan Academy.
Right, so we'll have a video for Monday, that's today. We'll have a video for Tuesday with more examples, and then we'll roll out the Khan Academy assignment to you on Wednesday. And that assignment will have problems just like the ones that you see in the videos. So again, take care of yourself. Email us with any questions, and be well out there.
Have a great night.
All right, take care, guys.